In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share or send your report packages. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your report packages enterprise or location selected, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Packages. From the list of packages to the left, select the one you would like to deliver. In this case, I want to share my example package. To do that, I'm going to go to the bottom of this screen and click on Add next to Deliveries. Now I can decide who I share this package with and when. First, I need to give my delivery a name. I will just call it the same thing as my package. So example package. Then I need to decide the type. If I click this arrow, I can choose from always send or alert to only send if the package contains data. You might want to do an alert for empty shifts or something along those lines. In this case, I'm going to choose always send. Next, you need to select the format. So I'll click this arrow. I can choose HTML, email, PDF, CSV, text, JSON, or XML file. I'll go ahead and choose a PDF. You need to decide when this delivery is effective, so when it starts and when it ends if you do want it to end. I'll go ahead and make this one effective today. Then choose the frequency. Maybe I only want this report sent once a week. So I'll click this arrow and choose weekly. When you pick the weekly frequency, you can choose to have that report sent every week, or every 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, and so on. I'm going to have this sent every week, so I'm going to click the up arrow once. Then I need to choose a day of the week to have this report sent. So I'll click this box and pick Mondays. Next, I need to select a time on Monday, so I'll click the next box. And I'm going to say 6 a.m. because that's before most managers would get in for the day, so this report will be waiting for them. If you changed your mind and you don't want to create this package, scroll down and click Close. I do want to create this package, so I'm going to choose Save. A green save bar will appear in the bottom corner, letting you know that this package has been saved and created. To exit out of this window, click Close. Now this delivery has been created. To choose who this package gets delivered to, click on that delivery. Now there's a new tab at the top called Subscribers. Click on Subscribers, and you can choose the scope. So I'll click this arrow, and I want enterprise level users. Then I can choose specifically who gets this delivery. Maybe I'll click Max, and then select Add. Now Max is a recipient. I could also add another person, let's say Nan. Now I have 2 recipients. These changes will automatically be saved. If you made a mistake and let's say you didn't want to add Max, you could click on Max and choose Remove. Now Max will no longer get this delivery. To test your package, click the Test tab and choose Email. A line will appear letting you know what happened with that package. 1 email was sent, 0 people were skipped, and there were 0 errors. To exit out of this window, choose Close. That's how you can send a report package. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete report packages and deliveries.